Alright, what's good, chat? Right, you ready? Cool. You see that? What's that say? One shot on target, right? Wait there. So tell me why the bookies want to tell me Bet365, you're such cheaters, bro. You're so rigged. Alright, from now on, make sure when I tell you, screenshot all bets firstly, because you know what they've been doing? When you click reuse selection, the player will have one shot on target. They'll up it and put more or two shots on target without you noticing. That's number one. They're very cheeky. They're doing bullshit. Number two, they think we're not going to check, and a lot of us don't. Start checking because they think they're going to get away with this. I've already messaged them. Otara played his socks out. And of course, this is the complaint.